Three young cockies this morning. There's one, there's two, there's Mr. Kingy in the background. Mr. Kingy. Mrs. Kingy's around, I can hear her calling out. And the third cocky is over here. And you could never guess what these youngsters are after. That's one. That's two. Come on, youngster. There's Kingy over there. Not going to come out too well. Here's the young cocky, it's a very timid one. See if he'll come down for it. But I've got a corella here who's going to grab it first. I can see what's going to happen. No, the cocky's coming down. Got to be quick. No, he's going to lose it. I've got one small piece left if I can grab it quickly. See if I can put this in here. Very timid. Here you go. Here's that corella enjoying that piece. In fact, that's Jill. So you can tell Jill, she's got the flared nostrils just above the beak. And this cocky's telling me to go away so I can come down and grab the corn. Oh, over here I've got one of our pied butcher birds. I thought I heard a noise. Get a decent view with the light. There we go. And it sounds like there's a couple more in the tree. Don't know if you can hear that noise. Here we are. Where are you? We just found a piece of meat that was dropped by a magpie. There's a family of 4 or 5 pied butcher birds. Been coming for a while now. Okay. And Mr. Kingy's over there, not missing an opportunity. Cockies took the corn and he's flown off, but he'll be back.